Ever felt overwhelmed by the rapid pace of technology and wished you could master it faster? In our digital age, technology is evolving at lightning speed. It's not just about keeping up, it's about harnessing the potential of these advancements. By taking the reins, you open up a world of opportunities, enhancing your personal and professional life. Whether it's to streamline your daily tasks or to excel in your career, mastering technology is a skill worth pursuing. Recognizing the need to learn is the first step towards mastering any technology. Now that you've identified your need, the next step is to choose the right technology that aligns with your goals. It's like picking the perfect tool for a job. You want to consider factors such as market trends and demand. Are you passionate about this technology? That's a big plus too. Remember, it's not just about what's hot right now, but what resonates with you. Your personal interest can fuel your learning, making the process faster and more enjoyable. Choosing the right technology is crucial in your journey to master it quickly. With the right technology in hand, it's time to dive in and learn the basics. The key to mastering any technology lies in understanding its fundamental concepts. Start by seeking out resources that simplify complex ideas. Online courses, books, and beginner-friendly tutorials can be your stepping stones. They'll break down the basics into digestible chunks, making the learning curve less steep. Remember, it's not about rushing through, but rather truly grasping the core principles. A strong foundation in the basics will pave the way for advanced learning. Theory is valuable, but practical application is where the real learning happens. Once you've grasped the basics of your chosen technology, it's crucial to put that knowledge into practice. This is where the rubber meets the road, where abstract concepts become real, and where your skills truly begin to develop. Consider working on personal projects. These are a fantastic way to apply what you've learned in a meaningful way. You're able to experiment, to try new approaches, and to make mistakes, all in a safe environment. It's through these experiences that you'll start to understand not just the how, but the why of your technology. Contributing to open-source projects is another effective way to gain practical experience. It allows you to collaborate with others, to learn from their expertise, and to contribute to something bigger than yourself. Plus, it provides you with tangible proof of your skills that you can showcase to future employers or clients. Finally, staying updated with the latest industry trends is essential. Technology is constantly evolving, and what's relevant today might be obsolete tomorrow. Subscribing to industry blogs, participating in online forums, and attending webinars or conferences can help you stay ahead of the curve. Remember, mastering technology is a continuous journey of learning and applying. Stay curious, stay committed, and you will surely succeed.